What's up, YouTube? Thought I'd do a little video on some DOT bottle rockets that I have. Bored, so thought I'd make a quick little video since it's been a while. Got some green tip red lanterns, DOT. I've never seen green tip whistling moons ever. Usually black or red. I think I've seen yellow, but never seen the green ones. Pretty cool. These are my favorites. Original horse brand air travels. They're the black ones. Let me see if I can pull one out of here. Actually, let me see if I have. This is what they look like. Plain Jane black. Crimped. Awesome bottle rockets. Super loud. Get up there pretty damn nice. And got these nice air travels. Never seen the baby blue color. It's usually this one right here, but this one's special. I'll show you guys in a minute. But yeah, these are your basic horse brand air travel DOTs. But this one's extra special. If you could tell, you could see a tiger head label right there next to horse brand and tiger head. So kind of a cool little air gross of air travels. This one has 2 horse brands and 1 tiger head brand. And I think this side has 2 horse and 1 tiger. Yeah, I got this from the late John Nieminski. Rest in peace, buddy. Nice and minty. Yeah, very cool. Now I got a couple other full grosses of the greens. And then I got this baby. Case Fresh. DOT. Jumping Jacks. 4812s. Perfect. Yep. Little video. Oh, and then I got these. These are super rare. Called revolving wheels. Basically, you hold them in your hand, light them, and they spin around super fast. Super rare. Little DOT label. But yeah, just a little cool little video. Hope you guys are having a good one. Be safe out there. Pyro out.